Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and it's that time of the week again. Yes, it's Fun Fact Friday, and today I'm expanding on what we talked about last week, which is what about kids, Michelle? What do we look for in children's faces? And so, like I said last time, every feature on a child's face has meaning about what their personality is like and how we need to talk to them and relate to them and communicate and connect with them. But there are also certain things that we want to see in a child's face and that we don't want to see potentially on a child's face. Not that we don't want to see, but maybe a warning sign or something to look out for. And one of those things really is wrinkles on a child's face. We really don't want to see any strong, visible, carved in wrinkles on children's faces, not just because they're young, but also that would mean that they're in an emotional pattern that is so profound and so habitual that it's actually carved itself in their face. And it can be a warning sign pattern. It can be a pattern that is showing that they have an emotional place that they're at that isn't serving them. So I remember looking at pictures of a beautiful little boy, and his mouth was so downturned that he had permanent lines here, and he was only about 5 or 6 at the time. And that made me really wonder about what was going on in his family, especially in his relationship with his primary female caregiver, which was his mother, and then a stepmother, and then no mother, and then no stepmother. And it was really, really taxing on this beautiful little boy. And so that made me really want to get curious and then do some work with the parents in order to help them understand what that was saying to that child. And it was just saying that he needed some nurturing, lots of nurturing in his life, and was feeling very, very disappointed with his feeling around being cared for. And so those are some things to look for in terms of faces for children. So bright sparkly eyes from last week, and watch out for wrinkles, because if wrinkles are showing up on a child's face, we need to look at their emotional state and how we can help them to find ones that are not going to create that image in their face. Anyway, until next time, I'm Michelle Butt. I will see you next Friday.